Good morning. I have a bundle here, Christmas bundle, junk journal kit, whatever you might want to call it. And I'm going to show you everything in the kit, and you can purchase it right from me, from the YouTube channel. So I will go through it piece by piece so you can see exactly what you're going to get. All right. So let's start off with, there's a card. Let me zoom down just a tad so you can see everything really, really well. Here is a bell. Here are two little ornaments. Here is a mitten gift tag. Here is a wooden ornament. Here is a vintage gift tag. Here is a vintage from a Life magazine. It has a Santa on it, subscription card. Here is a this is more like a trivia, Christmas trivia. Here is a snowman napkin. Here is a holly napkin. Here is some tea-dyed Santa bias tape. Here is another napkin. Here is some ribbon, green ribbon. Here is a vintage greeting card. I don't know if it says the date on it. Nope. Here is a gingerbread cello bag. Here is actually one of my handmade Christmas wrapping paper bags. Here's a piece of red leather. Here is a napkin. Here is a doggy bag. This is from Oriental Trading. It's a treat bag. Here's a Christmas punch-out. Here is some fabric pieces. Vintage trivia card. Here are two cards. Some more cards. Index cards. Address page. Order ticket. Correspondence record. Green ticket. Here's another holiday punch. Gift tag. Coin envelope. Card. Here's some holiday ruffle. There's some red. Here is a Jiffy bow. Playing card. Tablet paper. Some velvet ribbon. Here is some Christmas fabric ribbon. Some more ribbon. Raffia. Just a piece of satin ribbon. Here is some snowflake felt pieces. Some more velvet ribbon. There's some more red ribbon. Here is a sticky, I not really remember what this was called, but there's a nice piece of ribbon there. A card, tablet paper, adornment, paper. This one's got joy on it. There's a vintage tally card. Tag, adornment, paper, postcard, recipe card. Here's a recipe card, Christmas one. Greeting card. Some red lace. There's another piece of that. It's a snowman gift card, or playing card. Here's a Christmas. This is out of a book that everything to do about Christmas. There's another holiday recipe thing. Gift card with envelope. Christmas cello bag. Here is a really large book page about Christmas. Here's another real big book page about Christmas. It's the Macy's parade. Here's an angel calendar page. Page of stickers. Here's a holiday scavenger hunt. Here is a Hallmark Christmas movie bingo. Here's a big piece of holiday wrapping paper. Or actually, is this a bag? I think this might, yeah, this is, oh, nope, that's wrapping paper. It's silver on the inside. There's various pieces of paper there. Here's a brand new, huge, very large piece of wrapping paper. It's like Christmas around the world. Here's a recycled green foiled one. Another piece of wrapping paper. This is a really old vintage wrapping paper. It's all darkly aged around the edges. Here's another vintage wrapping paper. Here's another piece of vintage wrapping paper. Here is a Christmas book page. Here is letters. These all pop out. They're green. Cardstock. Stationery. Oops, let me zoom out just a tad now. These are all stationery papers, some vintage. Very beautiful for putting in a journal. They're all sliding away. Some red cardstock. Wallpaper. This is an adult Christmas coloring book page. Here are, I believe, 8 pages of really old dictionary paper. And then a sheet of white paper. And then in this little envelope is a wine marker charm. Here's a wine marker charm. Here is some bingo chips. Here are some little fuzzies. There's 2 buttons in there, a green one and a red one. And then there's a charm here. It says joy. Here is like a Scrabble piece, but it's with numbers and it's clear. And then there are some brads. So you'll get all that too. So those I'll have my email address below in the description. And this is $20. Shipping is included anywhere in the United States only. And just send me via PayPal to the email and with your shipping address, and I will get these out to you right away. Alright, so that is bundle number 1. And I will show you the next bundle. Let me get this off my desk real quick here. Okay. next bundle. It's about the same, but we'll go through it. This is bundle number 2. This one has a snowman. Has a snowman wine charm. Same amount of everything else. Buttons, bingo chips, brads. It's a joy charm. So you'll get all those goodies. Okay. There's your Christmas ribbons or ruffles. Various raffia, ribbon, lace, playing card. Playing card. There's a Christmas punch. Snowman card. Paper. Napkin. Flashcard. There's the snowman felt. Some satin ribbon. Some velvet ribbon. Some lace. Another one of those bow packages. Christmas tea-dyed paper, or a bias tape. Here's another little adornment. Order ticket. A wood punch. Napkin. Card. Here's another one of those subscription cards. Index card. Some fabric ribbon. Another vintage gift card. Scavenger card. Correspondence card. Some little adornments. Jolly gift tag. Coin envelope. Velvet ribbon. Fabric ribbon. Another little adornment. This is that sticky ribbon. One of those bags. Paper. Postcard. Christmas paper. Adornment. Tally card. Gift card. Various pads of paper. Recipe card. Another paper. Another holiday one. Okay. Gift card. A mitten gift card. Tickets. Paper. Card. Index card. Tag. Another index card. A Trivia Pursuit card. There's another holiday punch. Here's some fabric pieces. Another gift card, greeting card. Here is a treat bag. This is from Oriental Treating. There's another one of those cards. There's a treat bag. There is some wrapping paper with cats and dogs on it. Again, here's some various papers. There's a large book page of the Macy's page. This is out of a Christmas book. Okay, and then we have stationery, cardstock, stationery. There's the bingo card, stationery. There's a vintage greeting card. Christmas cello bag. Here's the angel calendar page. Here's this one's all numbers that punch out. Various scrap papers. There's the holiday scavenger card. Stickers. Cardstock. Stationery paper. Here's another set of holiday paper that has a teddy bear with a bow. Here is more 8 pages of the dictionary paper. Here is the coloring book page for adults. Vintage wrapping paper. Again, here's a new whole fold of Christmas Around the World. Wallpaper. Stationery. Another napkin. Wrapping paper. This is out of that Christmas book. stationery, piece of red leather, napkin, Christmas napkin, stationery paper. Here's that piece of old vintage wrapping paper, gingerbread bag. Here is a book page. Here is snowflake paper. And here is the other very large the Christmas story. It's out of a book page. And then some more stationery page. So again, you'll get all of that. This is bundle number 2. So just designate if you want bundle number 1 or bundle number 2. Alright, so thank you for joining my Destash, and let me know if you have any questions. Alright, thank you so much. Alright, bye.